Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and very good day to you all. In this video, I'm going to talk about chapter 213, coal working process from Shigley Mechanical Engineering Design textbook. Okay, this is the topic I'm going to talk about the coal working process. If you can remember in the previous video 2.12, I talked about hot working process. This is the opposite of it, which is the coal working process. Okay. Compared to the hot working process, now we're dealing with cold process. Cold doesn't mean that we do the process in the freezing temperature. We do the process in the normal temperature. Uh, okay, normal temperature lah. The temperature that you are feeling right now lah. In like typical 26 degrees Celsius, 36 degrees Celsius, like that. Okay. Cold working for forming metal at low temperature, typically room temperature compared to hot working. Brighter it is, you will have brighter finishes and higher accuracy. Okay, smoother finishes with higher accuracy and minimal machining. It involves cold rolling and cold drawing, method used by for forming sheets, flats, bar, and shaft with high precision. Advantages is that it can improve surface finish, better dimensional control, like such as automotive body panel. Okay, so since we're not dealing with hot temperature. Okay, so the material properties is good lah, kan? So primary cold rolling, uh, primarily used for white flats and sheets in metal working process, and cold drawing involve pulling hot roller bars through a die to reduce their size. Used for precise bar and shaft. Okay. Mechanical properties that it will increase the yield strength, ultimate strength and hardness through deformation. Okay. So So this is the advantages of it. How it works, it will distort the grain structure. Okay. Co-working distort the grain structure without changing its grain size. Okay. Imagine uh, how is the easiest you can uh make the example is you see the grass outside your room. Okay, the grass in the field, in the football field, it has grass. Okay, that grass has size. Okay, whenever you put the force, the grass will bend. Okay, the grass on the football field. Okay, the green grass on the football field. Okay, imagine like that. When it is has the size. Okay, you do not cut away, but you put the force, then the grass will bending. That bending will become distort. Okay, okay, that the size is remain the same. Remain the same because you don't cut it. Okay, so you just bend it, and the grass will uh, bending will distort, and then actually when we are talking about material, it will become stronger because it's like the material will become clump with each other. Okay, the grain size will become clump with each other. Okay, so it will increase the strength and hardness, and co-working increase yield strength and hardness, but it decreases ductility, meaning that that material originally is ductile, then it becomes slightly brittle. Okay. Co-working material is a bit low ductility, making them more rigid but less flexible. Okay. Less flexible. That is the thing about this thing. But again, we can be sure, uh, talking about material failure, that still there's metal and everything. You can observe with your eye, when uh, that metal become bending, it is the time to change it. And then another thing is that metal become corrosion, and then it is the time to change it. Okay. Okay, it doesn't fail immediately like a brittle failure lah. Okay. So specialized cold working process, it cause a heading. Okay. The one is heading, upsetting or gardening metal, commonly for forming screw. You can see the nails, you can see the screw, the head of the screw, the head of the nail. It is formed by the process called heading. Okay. Roll threading, forming threads on fasteners by squeezing a blank through within dies without cutting. Okay. the thread on your screws, it is done by this working process. And spinning and stamping, shaping metal sheet onto circular form of a forming process like blanking and coining for mass production. Okay, that's all the video right now. Inshallah, we meet in the next video. Thank you very much.